Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse 1LT. So this one's the mid-entry level grade, but still great nonetheless. So this is our mid-size SUV, whereas our Tahoe and our Suburban are the full-size. This slots in right between the Equinox and the Tahoe. Take a quick walk around. I personally love the look of this SUV. It looks great. Here's your Chevrolet key. Very nice to hold. Feels very high quality. Alright, so satin steel metallic and jet black inside. 3.6 liter V6 and a 9-speed automatic. Here's a look inside your back seat area. Tons of legroom here, and you do have the third row. Fires right up.
I know, they're one of my favorites.
I shut the radio off. I don't know why it turned back on. But, really nice upscale interior. Huge glove compartment. You can remove this. That's all nice to the touch. And if you run out of storage, a nice carpeted storage area in here. All right. This is actually a really nice SUV. I really like this thing. As you can hear, it has an amazing sound. Visibility is absolutely excellent. I can't complain there. Doing highway speeds, it's beautiful. It's awesome. I almost think I like this a little bit better than the Suburban. Brakes feel amazing. The 9-speed transmission is excellent. I'm pretty sure it's the same unit that's in the Blazer, and if that, I loved it there, so it's obviously going to be just as good in here. The seats, the cloth seats are absolutely amazing. I feel extremely comfortable. It's really, really nice. I love it. But yeah, this is an awesome vehicle. It's beautiful. I love it. I have no complaints whatsoever with it, actually. I could definitely see. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned the price. This one comes right about $40,000. I think it's like maybe a couple $100 over. That's it. So that's a great price for what you get. But overall, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.